Well, if you've ever wondered how freezing fog works, I've got a really good opportunity to explain it to you right now, because that's what we're in the middle of. So right now you can see my windshield is frozen all around the edges. It looks like water that's frozen solid. Watch when the wiper goes. Can't even touch it. That's just frozen across. That over there, solid frozen. We've got a really wet, heavy fog going on right now, and it's only about 17, 18 degrees outside. So as soon as that fog hits something, it freezes. Right now that is my windshield, the front of my truck, the mirrors, and all the trees out there. The other thing that it freezes when it touches is the road. As it settles down on the road, touches that cold asphalt, it just freezes over, and this road is a sheet of ice right now. So we're all driving really slow, because the general rule of thumb for driving in ice and snow is don't drive any faster than you're willing to slide off the road, because there's a very good chance of it happening. If you look over here, you'll notice the trees are frozen on one side and not on the other, because the fog is moving this way. So the side that it hits the trees on, it freezes to. The other side is still green, and that's from that fog just moving through the air and just freezing to whatever it hits. But aside from that fun thing, I should probably explain to you what it is we're doing today. We're in the rollback. We're going to pick up Ben from 406 Garage, and then we're going to head up over the mountain in this condition, which will be fun, because we're going to haul some logs for firewood, because once you post a video of hauling firewood, everybody else calls you and wants to haul firewood. So Ben's got a source that sells logs. We're gonna go load them up on this truck and get them hauled back over to Ben's house so he has logs for his boiler for the winter. So Ben's here, and we did not plan this out.
I sent your wife a text.
Oh, okay. Yes, she picked out my clothes.
Just kidding.
So the surprise I have for Ben is that my truck is already loaded with this. Yeah, the good thing is now going over the mountain pass, we've got some weight on the drive axles for traction.
On the way back, we'll have plenty of weight.
Yeah. And these are some stake sides I built for hauling the logs. They just drop into the stake pockets here. Look at from driving, look at the ice that's blowing off the back of them. They're movable.
I know.
We have options.
We'll have to situate.
Look, it is so frozen that the gravel is frozen. And I spun out on your driveway trying to get going from the gate again.
Really?
Yeah, I was spinning. I had to lock in the diffs.
I drove the kids to school this morning and I saw like 6 cars spun out.
Cool. Well, let's go.
I mean, it's been 48 degrees for the last 3 days, so why don't we go today when it's 20 degrees and freezing rain?
I checked trip check. It's 15 on the pass.
Yeah, and the camera's covered in snow.
Yeah, the camera's iced over. You can't even see the camera.
Yeah, I mean, it's the perfect day to go.
Yeah, why wouldn't we take a truck over the mountain run today?
At least
So,
traction.
Yeah, let's go. So just like last time, Ben and I came up the pass. Get up here in the high elevation on the pass, and it's actually in a lot better shape than it is down in the valley. See, everything's frozen solid up here, but the road actually has good traction and drive just fine.
All the trees are frosty. It looks like those Christmas trees are the fake ones that they frost that you buy at the big box stores, only this is real.
Exactly.
Oh, I can't see out this window. The wiper doesn't work.
Well, you'll fix that later.
We'll fix that later.
Yeah.
And those thing got Jake's.
Of course that's Jake's.
That's awesome.
Jake's on an icy downhill is a dangerous thing to do.
Yeah.
Because that's like using the e-brake to slow down. So you do have to be very careful using your Jake's in the ice, but the road's in good enough shape that I feel fine with it, especially when I got a big counterweight sitting right on top of my drives right
It
now.
actually looks better on the downhill side than the uphill side.
It does.
The uphill side's not bad, it just looks more wet. This seems like it's got more traction.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, we're getting into the light now. The sun's poking through down here.
Look at the snow dust just blowing down the road.
That's how dry it is. That's actually a good thing.
That's good. That's traction.
Yeah.
Even though the road's actually in good shape.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
And now we're in the sunshine.
Yeah, now it's nice weather. We can see
Dry
the blue
roads.
sky. The lava flow looks super cool with the snow on it.
Temperature came up like 10 degrees.
There's the big mountains up over there peeking through. Turned into a really nice day all of a sudden.
For now.
For now. Hey, there is my old tow truck. that you guys have never seen because I sold it before this whole YouTube thing. But that yellow one right there was an old tow truck of mine. That's actually the one
before you were famous.
BY, before YouTube.
BYT.
That's actually the truck I had when I moved up here to Oregon. It's a twin line wrecker, but 2-wheel drive only. So
looks like he's still using it too.
Oh, that guy loves it. I talked to him. My medium duty, my 12-ton is here in this town too.
Oh, nice.
It's actually right over there. All right, we got that Uhaul truck dropped off, and then we decided we want some pizza. So we came to the pizza place here. Only problem is there's no parking for this truck, so we just kind of made some on the sidewalk here, and everybody knows as long as you turn on strobe lights, you can park wherever you want. So Ben's inside getting the pizza. I'm watching traffic go by, and then we're gonna go haul some logs. Okay, hold on. Start over. Ben is telling stories from the olden days.
So I went to college in this town, and I used to get this pizza all the time. They're still there, and it's amazing pizza. Tracktown Pizza. If you've never been to Eugene, it's amazing. And I love it to this day, still, because it tastes just as good as when I was in college.
This video not sponsored by Tracktown Pizza.
Not at all. But this pizza was $12.95 when I went to college. Never mind how long ago that was. We don't need to talk about that.
No.
Today, this was $36.
I'm glad you're paying.
Holy Moses.
That's why I waited out in the truck.
Beautiful campus though.
So you just having me go like right through downtown now?
Yo, you had to drop the U-Haul off in downtown right back there. We're just continuing on the road that you were on.
Well, I knew how to get to the highway from there, but you needed to go to your special pizza place and spend $500.
I bought you pizza. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Why is the air conditioning on?
Because I have been working out of the two of us and I'm hot.
I just worked.
Notice I don't have my jacket on anymore.
Yeah.
Do you know how hard it was to push 2 levers and then get in a truck and back off of a ramp? Man, I was like sweating.
Yeah, you were blowing through the wipe rags.
Yeah, it was just strenuous.
I don't know how you do it.
It's hard, it's tough really.
You should hire somebody.
Yeah. Check out the custom chopper.
I'm stoked that he has on orange.
I like the ape hangers have a cross support at the top of them.
That dude is straight pimping, man. Mm-hmm. Purple frame, white tire, black tire, ape hangers, and construction orange. That dude's legit.
Yeah.
How's the pizza?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's definitely worth $36 when you pay for it.
Of course it is.
This dude is a hell of an operator. He's like setting them so gently in place.
And to do that with a piece of equipment that weighs 75,000 pounds, the pinchers are what, 10, 12 feet long?
Yeah.
There's nothing precise about that piece of equipment.
Yeah, there is, and it's sitting in the seat right there.
Correct, yes.
By the way, it got cold, like
yeah, again,
really, really cold.
It looks fine out here, but it's not.
Yeah, it's not okay here. It's cold. So he's gonna set one down and catch the other, and then set it in a different spot. He's done this once or twice. Perfect. All right, we got the truck loaded up, chained down, we're scaled out. There's our load of logs. Some chains on it, and we're gonna head back over the mountain and eat some pizza. My guy was really good on that loader. What is your issue?
Can we not have cold air blowing on our face now?
Are you cold? I don't have the AC on, I just have it on cool.
It's cold.
It's hot. I'll roll down my window. I'll roll down your window.
No, don't. Come on now.
Come on, roll the window down. We're cruising. We're convoying with our log truck homies. We gotta look cool.
Follow him. He's going the right way.
Okay. We are back up on the pass. back into the cold. All the trees are still frozen. I don't think it's got sunny here or warmed up all day. It's back well below freezing.
Well, that has to do a lot with the wind at 30 mile an hour from the side.
Yeah, there's like a windstorm going on right now, so
It's keeping it cool.
we got that happening too.
Good times.
Yeah. At least the view is nice.
It's Christmas.
Yeah, we made it.
November.
We made it down the mountain and into the North Pole apparently.
Yeah.
Sisters is all lit up with their lights.
And cold.
And
Extra
cold. It's very cold.
Extra cold. I just missed it.
We are sliding.
That was my.
We are like locked up sliding off the road.
Did you put the interlock on?
Oh yeah, I got the diffs locked. We're backing up to go get to Ben's driveway because we passed it because we just slid right by. But yeah,
that
full load sitting on the drives, hit the throttle, spin all 8 tires with the locker. Impressive. This is ice. This is bad.
This is the black ice that is the death that people talk about.
Yes.
This is it.
Very much. I made it back to Ben's house. It is scary icy out there. I think the high here today got to like the low 20s and no sunshine at all. It was like this all day. All the trees are still like Dr. Seuss looking with ice frozen on one side of them and green on the other. So Ben is gonna move a couple vehicles. There's Lucy. Come here. Hi. Oh wow, crash. Oh, crash. Wiped out. Ben's gonna move a couple vehicles and then we're gonna try to get these things off, which I don't think is gonna go well because I have a feeling the top ones are gonna wanna slide out the back and these bottom ones are wedged into these rails and are not gonna wanna slide. We didn't bundle them underneath like we did with the previous load of firewood, so we'll see how it goes. I don't have super high hopes, but we'll make something work. It is cold. Okay, untied, gonna dump it back. Give me your predictions now. Is this gonna come off nicely or is this gonna be a disaster? I think I'm gonna put you guys up here on the fire truck. Now you've got a beautiful view of this absolute mess that's about to happen. Scott, it ain't moving a little bit. It ain't moving at all. I'm gonna back up and hit the brakes. Ben?
I know how to ruin your day at this point.
Yeah.
If that was the worst part of our day, the rest will be easy. Have a nice drive home.
I hate you.